let's do another one. So in this one, real quick, I think I still see a lot of gap between 250 and the dollar amount, so reduce the gap as much as you can. And also like the whole black pepper and fresh veggies, don't put that in caps, just put that in the normal, like the first letter being cap and everything else is lowercase. And I think when you have the stuff in the second line, then again just make sure that there is no gap between cloves, and let's say if there was a second line, then there is no gap between 250 and that, and no gap between 250 and 40. Okay, so go back, let's check out. So again, checkout screen size, sorry, the font should be lower, just like I explained earlier. I think you increase the size of each of the item way too much. Let's reduce the size a bit, just like what we had earlier. The size of blue is okay, and this actually works fine as well. Um, let's tap on checkout now. So I have home, and if there was no home, I asked you guys to remove add another address up and reduce the font size of add another address. I think payment you guys are still working on. Phone is fine. Delivery time, okay, let's talk about delivery time. So delivery time, I think last time I gave you the feedback that instead of select time, we want custom text to be displayed. So maybe like a row that you can add anywhere. I can just directly update the backend, and that text should be displayed instead of the text select time. The reason we want to do that is because we want to tell the users that order before 2 p.m. for the same day delivery or something like that. And I always want today and tomorrow displayed here, just like we have in the mocks and everything, and the red line should be thicker. And if I do select a time, then it should have the row selected in blue, and it did the right thing that it enabled this button. So if I save delivery time, it does that, which is good. And it shows sold out, which is great. So select that, select this time, go back. Delivery instructions, everything else is fine, and then submit order again, way too bigger font size. All right, thank you, bye.